So here's the Bontems double bird in a gilded cage. French singing birds. Very nice overall condition. Often you see the birds just really get trashed over the years. These are in quite nice condition. The original feathers all very nicely intact. The beaks often over time get so dried out that they crack or break, or the eyes fall. And these are all nice. There is some wear, as can be expected, on the gilded outer casting, but overall, really nice patina to the cage and to the mechanism. We'll go ahead and play it. The bellows are a little bit weak on this one. So, there we have the Bontems double birds in a gilded cage, made in France.